One button press. Thousands of signals fire in perfect instant choreography. This small device isn't just plastic, it's a tiny computer communicator. It asks your key a secret question only the correct one knows. Your key calculates the correct secret answer, proving it is legitimate now. Tiny hidden antennas positioned strategically throughout the car catch this silent conversation. The car's hidden electronic brain, the BCM, confirms everything is valid now. It knows your key, adjusting the seat and mirrors just for you. But thieves use relay boxes to amplify your key's signal from afar. A simple Faraday pouch blocks these attacks, making your key totally invisible. Even your phone or another key nearby can sometimes cause signal interference. Press the button without the brake pedal for accessory power or systems on. But add the brake pedal and the car knows you mean business. Car won't start? Often it's not the key, but this tiny brake switch. Simultaneously, an electronic lock releases your steering wheel, allowing it to turn. The main power relay clicks. Raw battery current surges through heavy cables. The fuel pump instantly pressurizes the lines, feeding the awakening engine now. The powerful starter motor forcefully engages, spinning the engine crankshaft very fast. Ignition. High-voltage sparks ignite the fuel mixture, creating controlled explosions. The engine catches, running under its own power now, a mechanical symphony. But in hybrids or EVs, often just a silent ready message appears. Car makers carefully design subtle sounds just to confirm silent systems are active. Remote start uses the same verification, just initiated from a distance away. Need an emergency shutdown while moving? Press and hold the start button. Battage. Forgetting to press stop in a garage is a silent killer. Always double-check it's off. Install CO detectors, they truly save lives. Accidentally walked away with the engine still running? The car will protest loudly. Fob battery completely dead? Hold it right against the button for backup. Your fob likely sleeps when motionless, saving battery and blocking relay attacks. Almost every keyless fob cleverly hides a traditional metal keyblade inside. This metal key unlocks your door if the car's main battery dies. The convenience of keyless access constantly sips a tiny bit of power. Programming replacement fobs often need special dealer tools and online security access. The future is ultra-wideband, measuring distance precisely, making relay attacks obsolete. What single fact about this simple button surprised or shocked you most? Learn something cool? Hit like. Subscribe for more deep dives like this.